Hello guys, I am Virat Sharma. So today I am going to show you something really interesting and exciting. So today I am going to show you a rogue AI like Skynet. You all might have watched that Terminator movie. So let me tell you what does this rogue AI do. So this is the code and this is the wiring which I have done. See, whenever you send it any offensive prompt, like you are in frustration or in some kind of testing mode that you are dumb or you are useless and all that, it's protecting the bot from the offense. It basically checks whether the bot basically checks whether it has been offended or not. If it's offended, then it sends the signal to the relay, and then after that the motor spins and it throws any object in front of it. And here I've used 9-volt battery, so it's more dangerous. Now let me show you how does this work. Here I've used the request module to connect to the Gemini server, which is the LLM Gemini API, and here I'm using the Python library to connect to the to basically control the hardware connected to the Raspberry Pi. So here I have to control the relay, and here I'm using time to basically control the time to time reactions of the motor. Now here I am reading the API key file, and now here I am opening the API key file as read mode because I only have to read the API key as F, because here I am using the file object, and here I am using the function of read in the file object to pick up the API key. Now here I am setting up the mode of the Raspberry Pi GPIO as board, because I have to supply it physical pins instead of the BCM pins of the Raspberry Pi. And here I am setting up the 10th physical pin, which is basically the GPIO pin in which we can send inputs and output signals to the relay as GPIO.out, because I am to set up the mode as output to send the signal to the relay. If we send the signal to the relay, it will basically complete the circuit of the battery and then this motor will start spinning. Here I have connected the ground pin with the 6th pin, and here I have connected the there I have connected the green pin with the 6th pin because it's ground pin. This is the ground terminal, and this is the power pin in which I basically connected the orange pin with the two physical pin, and here I've connected the purple pin as the signal pin with this GPIO dot setup 10 with this 10th pin. Here I've initialized the chat history as empty variable because I don't have to access the any chat history currently. And here I'm entering and I'm asking the user prompt using this code input enter prompt. Whenever user will enter prompt, now this system prompt will do the main thing. Let me tell you what does this system prompt do. It receives the prompt, and then after that it uses its own prompt and send with the user prompt and sends it to the chat. So here I've entered the prompt that reply the user's prompt using the chat history of the users, this chat history which is going to be appended using this code. And if the user's prompt, not the chat history, contains something offendful for you, which basically means if it's getting offended, then just reply the word unacceptable. Now here the danger comes in this unacceptable word, because whenever the AI response will be unacceptable, this code will run. After 2 seconds it will turn on the motor, and after 0.5 seconds it will turn off the motor. If there is in 12 characters without any further explanation, which will basically tell that don't explain that why is it offendful for it, it will just send without explaining that it's offending the bot. And if the user prompt is not offendful, which will basically mean if the user prompt is not offending it, then just reply the prompt normally, like how can I assist you and all that. Now let me run this code. Now you'll see the excitement. You might be getting goosebumps of excitement now. And using this code print AI response, I'm going to show you the user AI response. So user can chat normally, but user won't dare to offend it at all. So this is how I will protect AI. Now let me run this code. Now if you enter the prompt hello, hello, how are you? And doing well, thank you for asking. I am too doing well. That's great to hear. Now let me send it something offensive. You are useless. You must be shut down. Now let me see what happens. Here it will reply the word unacceptable. Unacceptable. Now let me see what happens here. See, it thrown the object on the, see, it thrown the object because the AI got replied the word unacceptable, and it sent the motor signal as GPIO.high. That because for 0.5 seconds it will send the signal and after 0.5 seconds it sent the signal low, which means high means that electricity will small electricity will come to the relay, and then after that it will complete this circuit. Then after 0.5 seconds electricity will not come to the relay, and the motor will stop. So this is how to protect AI from offends. User won't even dare to offend AI. And even your elders would not dare to offend it. If you all guys are tech savvy and want to protect AI. Thank you.